For homeowners, we certainly advise them in having a obligation-free site inspection. So those site inspections, that's where we can talk to them about the placement of the product. So where the hardware will go, the orientations of their buildings, the analysis of their electricity bills so that the sizing of the system is correct for their needs and not just bigger is better or anything like that. We actually look at return on investments as well. So we're bringing all those aspects in, and also, what do they want? What are their goals out of having a solar system? Is it environmental? Is it economics? All those sorts of things. Do they want to look at and include the plans for batteries in the future? And if so, how far down the track are they looking at those sorts of things? So we take all those things into account at our site inspection, which is just vital. It is a really, really valuable conversation to have with the customer, because then you can talk about their needs, their goals, where everything's going to be placed so that it gets the best production for them and the level of quality that they're looking for. When we're talking to our homeowners, we talk to them as individuals. We do not do one size fits all, because everybody's needs are different. Your needs to your next door neighbour's needs are completely different. Even if you do have 4 people in the house, you might have completely different things that use power. So everybody's different, and we treat you accordingly. We treat you as a person, as an individual.